fuck's sake, haven't you fucking tidied this room up yet? Look at it, for fuck's sake, come on. Your fucking ass in gear. You. I gotta show you. I put my wall back up here. As you remember, this used to be set of stairs coming up here, and it used to be Alfie's, the grandkid's bed was up in there. So I put it back on, and rather do filling and all that, I put architrave around it. And this here is whiteboard. So I can write things on, like, will you shut the fuck up? That sort of thing. But I had to empty that cupboard in there. There's a cupboard there, obviously. We had to empty that cupboard because we got central heating coming. And they're going to run the pipes out of the attic, straight down through this cupboard, and straight down through another cupboard below it. So in the meantime, I ended up with this. All this fucking guitar junk, all gotta go. So I'm gonna have to make a gap over there to stack all this guitar amps and stuff up. Don't fucking want it, I don't want it, but you know, what can you do with it? What the fuck can you do with it? So, let me start tidying this up 2 seconds, bear with me, and then it's time, it's that time of year, I can't click this in, there you go, it's that time of year to get that up and running, and we want to get the plotter up and running because we got some decals to do. So first of all, I'm going to just shove this on fucking crazy thing, whatever they call it. Hitinna poddak hitinna duwanne ai oya paninna ittara balanna paninne kohe kiya hitinna poddak hitinna duwanne ai oya. Well, they say old music is better. Alright, let me put you up here and show you what this entails. Just to do a patch. I got a couple to do with my faithful thing. Will stay faithful. There. No, maybe that way. That's it. Right. Okay. So we'll see if my old faithful stays faithful. Something like that. I don't know how much you can see, if you can see anything, but just bear with me a minute. Better. Paninna ittara balanna paninne kohe kiya වයසට යයි ඔයා ලස්සන හාමිනේ පොඩිත් නාකිවේ ඔයා ලස්සන හාමිනේ පොඩිත් නාකිවේ ඔයා හිටින්න පොඩ්ඩක් හිටින්න දුවන්නේ ඇයි ඔයා මනින්න ඉතර බලන්න
दांत उनाम मालंग जोडुवे नोनट केंती कियाम मट हरि पाडुवे नोनट केंती कियाम मट हरि पाडुवे හිටින්න පොඩ්ඩක් හිටින්න දුවන්නේ.
There you are, folks. You got to weed it, get all this. Takes 2 minutes, but apart from that, that's it. I got to do a bucket full of these now. Not these, but one for somebody. And this is our Thursday little video. Just to remind you, it's Thursday. It's Thursday already. Thursday night. So we're gonna do these, the ones I gotta do, and then we gotta go up there and do a bit of plotter. So I'll try and tape that, film that as well, because that is a lot harder than this. It's not the machinery, it's the software. The software is a bugger for that thing. Absolute bugger. But we'll have a crack. And I'll see you tonight, Thursday night.